In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a mind map in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira, step by step, using the official Draw.io Diagrams app. This is perfect if you're planning projects, brainstorming ideas, or visualizing workflows directly inside Jira or Confluence without switching tools. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully working mind map attached to your Jira task and ready to use. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to Jira. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to install apps, because we'll need to add Draw.io if it's not already installed. Once you're inside Jira, navigate to your project so you're on the main project board view. From here, look at the top menu and click on More. In the drop-down that appears, click on Apps. This opens the Atlassian Marketplace where you can manage and install integrations for Jira. Next, in the Marketplace search bar, type Draw.io. When the results load, look for Draw.io Diagrams for Jira. Click on it to open the app page. Here you'll see details about the app, supported features, and permissions. Click Install and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Once the app is installed, it will be available directly inside your Jira issues. Now go back to your Jira project and open the task where you want to add the mind map. This can be a story, task, or any issue type. Inside the issue view, look for the three dots menu, usually in the top right corner of the issue panel. Click on the three dots, then select Add Draw.io Diagram from the menu. This will open the Draw.io diagram picker. In the search field, type Mind Map. From the results, click on Mind Maps. You'll now see different mind map templates available. Select the one that fits your needs, then click on the map preview. After that, click Create to start building your diagram. Draw.io will now open the editor directly inside Jira. You can click on nodes to rename them, press Tab to add child nodes, and drag items around to reorganize your ideas. Use this space to map out requirements, features, dependencies, or brainstorming ideas related to the Jira task. Once you're done or ready to save progress, click Submit. This attaches the mind map directly to your Jira issue, so your entire team can view and edit it. And that's it. You've successfully created a mind map in Draw.io for Jira, and the same workflow applies when using Draw.io inside Confluence pages as well. This is a powerful way to keep visual thinking and documentation right where your work lives. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.